What's going on, everybody? And welcome back to Duffy's channel. Today, why not? Let's do something new. We're working on the Honda Rancher ES electric shift. That's these babies right here. We are putting on the KOLPIN handguards today. Let's take a look at the front. What they look like, rigid. Got a nice little thing on the front. A little decal. There's a mirror. So I didn't see any videos on these. You could purchase these at Tractor Supply, or like me, I got mine on eBay. I saved about maybe $5 or $10 on mine, but you can get them from Tractor Supply. So let's look at what you're going to need today. You're going to need your trusty 10 mil. Ooh, there she is. Your 11 and a Phillips head. So what I do is I start here at the bottom. I get this little Phillips head, not all the way in, just get it going. It's kind of a pain in the butt. But get that in first, then you could come around here. You could do this nut with the lock washer. It usually starts like way out here, and you can bend it over. But these fit really nice and snug. They have some machined aluminum here on the other side that grips the bar. And if I can get it to focus. You have kind of just a metal strap with a nice little plastic cover so it won't rub your handlebars raw. And then you could pre-assemble this. You have a long bolt here. You have a plastic washer, and if you could see in there, there's a little like spider washer, like a locking washer that has to go in between the plastic here and the mirror and the plastic and everything. So, and then you got your locking nut here at the end. So you can leave that loose, and what I did with mine is I got it where I wanted it here first, and then I adjusted the mirror. You want to make sure, you can get your gloves and everything going on. All your levers work. You want to keep it free. I got brake lines and electrical stuff going on for my lighting and whatnot. I'm going to do the other side, and I already had to kind of shift this from, playing around with the Honda. Of course, I may have rolled it over once or twice. So, from rolling it over, my hydraulic reservoir here got kind of pushed, and this was pinched here in the bar. So I had to give myself some room so that this little piece here could slide up and down the bar, and I can adjust the right side. So obviously I haven't done that yet, but just wanted to show you because I haven't seen anything on the KOLPIN handguards. So here they are. Two things that I would change if KOLPIN is listening. If you want to come out with handguards 2.0. I would make the adjustments here, the pre-cut holes here, just a little bit more oval so that customers have a little bit better of a time getting these nuts and this Phillips head and this bolt through. It's kind of really of a pain, and you should 100% have a washer here on top of this bolt, because it's already kind of eating its way in through that little guard here. It's bending it and eating away. So definitely put a little washer there. And again, it's going to be hard getting it through because you don't have enough room. Again, this strap here is pushed out, and as you tighten it, it flattens up against this aluminum. So maybe make that bolt, I don't know, maybe a centimeter longer. Give you a little flat washer there. Make it a little bit more adjustable. And what would be killer on this is if these mirrors adjusted. These mirrors are fixed. It's cool. They're a bubble mirror. I could definitely see my passenger on the back. I have my rear seat here. They're going to be holding on right here. So I'll be able to see my rear passenger as I'm cruising. And I'll probably have to, if I want to check my rear for cars and stuff, I'm really going to have to lean out. This is my normal riding, and I'm pretty much just looking at my hand. So if you could make these adjustable, or just kick them out just a smidge, because they are the oval mirror. It's not a flat one. So just kick it out just a little bit. I don't need to be looking at myself. Other than that, they're great, man. I'm going to throw on the other side, and these are going to be keeping my hand not only free of mud and whatever else if I'm following somebody, but the wind burn. You guys all know that feeling. That's why I'm putting mine on, because I'm riding out here. It's 10 degrees and I am freezing. So yeah, there's the Honda Rancher, guys. Let's take a look at some other stuff. There'll be some videos. If you guys are interested, let me know in the comments. There'll be some videos on the back rack. I have this hooked up to a trickle charger because it stays outside. I have my holsters here in the front for the guns going hunting. And one of my favorite things that I put on this thing is I believe this is a 10-inch, it's a slim 10-inch LED. This thing is amazing. I got it for like 30 bucks on Amazon. Now I found these bolts in my tool bag, so put them through. I'm still doing adjustments. I need to bring it up just a smidge. I just need to, you know, push this up a little bit because I'm kind of looking at the ground right now. But just that one $30 slim 10-inch is brighter. It's like 10 times brighter than my headlights. So great thing to have when you're out there riding in the woods at night. And I purchased this off of eBay. This is a little switch. There you go. You can actually see how bright that little LED is. This switch was less than 20 bucks. I think it might have been like $17. But it looks like it's factory. It has, you know, 2 little Allen key bolts. Of course, I put my thread locker on, just like I do with my KOLPIN handguards. I put some thread locker on everything. So I put my thread locker on the top, and then it comes with this nice little like weatherproof lit light. And it comes with the wiring harness. It's very, very professionally done. It looks like it came from the factory. So I tucked it in along the fender well. There's a little relay in there, and of course it's got a battery hookup. So everything is very, very well done, put together. And it's got this really nice, everything has this like braided mesh, you know, coating. It comes with heat shrink. This is awesome, guys. If you could look this, I looked mine up actually for a Honda Rancher, you know, light kit or whatever it was. But it comes with the wiring, comes with the plugs for 2 different lights. You could do front and rear. Of course, they're going to come on at the same time, but I'm thinking of mounting some off the side here. I'm probably going to buy 2 more of those, 1 for each side. Yeah, it's great. And you can hook up multiple stuff. Like I said, it has the relay, it has the battery connection. But anyway, let's wrap it up. This is the KOLPIN handguards. They look great. I think they're going to really make the Honda look sweet instead of seeing all that junk. Looks a lot better. It looks newer, you know. Bringing this 2002 Honda up to the future. This thing is running great. You know, of course, everybody knows about that baby down in there. We'll talk about that in another video. So if you guys want to see more about the ATV, let me know. If not, we will catch you on the next one, guys. I appreciate it. Later.